evening, and welcome to the Knob Fiddler.
Hello.
As you can see, we're undergoing refurbishment at the moment, so please put up the decor. It will be lovely when it's finished.
I'm sure.
What can I do for you this evening?
What have you got?
Oh, what would you like?
Oh, I'd like a lager, please.
Oh, Cronenberg or Foster's?
Oh, Foster's, please.
Oh, that's lucky. I think we have one here. Well, madam?
Oh, lovely.
I'll have to say that this one is on the house, since you're my first customer.
Lovely, thank you.
There you are, madam.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you. Hit the salute. Well, my assistant brings me the camera, which is still playing, isn't it?
It is.
It is, yes. Okay, hit the salute. You Nazi. So anyway, it stopped raining, and it's been bloody hot. But yeah, the Knob Fiddler's starting to take some shape. Temporary bar, as you've just seen. Very, very temporary bar. But we do now have double glazing. Look at that. And flowers. So I'll keep you updated as soon as I've done a bit more.